Fabulous fam, it's your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make Haitian spaghetti. What you guys gonna need? You guys gonna need the spaghetti. You guys gonna need eggs, because Haitian, when they make the spaghetti, they always boil some eggs. We're gonna need Maggi, and this one you can find it at Publix, Walmart, Aldi, any supermarket. And you're gonna need salt. We're gonna need black pepper. We're gonna need, this one is like the spice, like I already show you guys, like everything I cook I always put this on it, like make the food taste better. And we're gonna need green pepper. We're gonna need some onion. Best of all, we're gonna need hot dog, because Asians, every time we're making our spaghetti, we always put hot dog. And we're gonna need tomatoes. If you guys want, you guys can put the tomato sauce, but me, when I be making it, I be using the tomato paste. And you're gonna need spice. That's the Asian epice I was telling you guys, and you're gonna need this to cook it. Alright guys, first what you do is you get some water, you put on the pot, and I already put the water, and I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt, because you don't have to put too much salt, because you're gonna put the hot dog, you're gonna put all the stuff, so you don't want it to be salty. You put a little bit of salt so the spaghetti can cook. And I'm gonna let it cool, and when it starts to boil, I'm gonna put the spaghetti on it. Let it cool. You can put it on high if you want, and medium, stuff like that, it's on you. Okay, I'm gonna let it boil for a little bit before I put the spaghetti on it. Alright guys, while the water is boiling, and I'm gonna cut the hot dog. My kids love hot dog. I'm gonna put that. You can put as much as you want, but my kids love hot dog. I'm gonna try to put maybe 7 of them. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys how to cut it. It's really easy. It's on you if you wanna do them small or big. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the egg so the eggs can boil while the spaghetti boils. Both of them can boil at the same time. Guys, I'm done cutting the hot dog, and I got some green peppers, and I have some onion. And I forgot to show you guys, when you guys making the spaghetti, always put some oil in the spaghetti when it's boiling. The reason why, because when you do that, I'm gonna show you, don't have to put, you can put only one, a little bit, you can put a little bit, you don't have to put that much. The reason why I tell you guys to put it, because when you do that, the spaghetti, they're not gonna stuck together. You don't have to do anything, because when you put the oil gonna make it not stuck together. Now the water started to boil, I'm gonna put the spaghetti on it, and I'll show you guys that's the eggs. I'm boiling the eggs. I boiled the eggs for like 5 minutes before I put the spaghetti, because the egg can cook well. Alright guys, I just put the spaghetti, and I'm gonna let it boil for like 7 to 10 minutes. The spaghetti has been boiled for 5 minutes. Remember I told you guys, the best thing to do when you put the water, put some oil on it so the spaghetti don't get stuck together. And it's been boiled for like 5 minutes, and I'm gonna let it cook for like 5 more minutes. Alright guys, the spaghetti been boiled for 10 minutes, and I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna take the water out of the spaghetti. Alright guys, I take the water. Now this is how it look. What I be doing after I do that, I just get some butter, I put on it. Let me show you guys. It's kinda hot. What happened, baby? I don't know what you're telling me. Okay, and I'm gonna do the fast while this one is later. I'm just gonna cover it for a little bit while I'm doing it. First, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna open it in high. I'm gonna let it hot, and when it get hot, I'm gonna put the oil on it. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the oil. You don't have to put that much oil. It's depend on you, because the oil is not that good for you. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. I'm gonna show you guys how much I put on it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for the oil to be hot. Now the oil is hot enough. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry some of the green pepper, and I'm gonna fry some onion. And while it's frying, let me show you guys. I'm gonna put the Haitian epic I showed you guys earlier. I'm gonna put it. The smell of the epic, guys. I told you guys already. If you guys want to know how to make it, what you guys gonna need to do it, how to do it, I'm gonna show you guys how to make it in another video. Just let me know. And I'm gonna put the hot dog now. I didn't put that much oil, but if you guys wanna put more oil, you guys can. And I'm gonna let it fry for like 2 minutes. Alright guys, instead of 2 minutes, I let it fry for like 5 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the tomato paste. Alright guys, I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of the tomato paste. You know what, let me put like 2.5. Alright guys, I have put the tomato paste on there. And what to do, you can just put some water. Remember what I told you guys already? You guys can do it with the tomato sauce instead of the tomato paste. But I told you guys I love doing it with the tomato paste instead of the sauce. And you guys can get any hot dog you guys want, and you guys can put sausage, stuff like that. Anything you guys want to put on it, you can. It's on you if you want to do it with hot dog or sausage. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the Maggi I showed you earlier. I'm gonna put some Maggi on it. Okay. I'm gonna put 3 Maggi on it. I'm gonna put the other one. Thank you, Jesus. Okay. And I'm gonna put the last one. Okay. And I'm gonna leave the onion and the green onion to put last, so I don't want it to cook well. I don't want it to cook too much. I'm gonna put it when I'm done with it. And I'm gonna put some black pepper. And the chef Creole. I'm gonna put some of the chef Creole season on it. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the spaghetti, and I'm gonna put the spaghetti on it. Alright guys, I'm done stirring the sauce into the spaghetti. That's the way it look like. It's pretty much done, but I'm gonna let it in the medium, I'm gonna leave it on 4, and I'm gonna let it cook for 2 more minutes. And after 2 minutes, I'm gonna put the onion and the green pepper to stay for 1 minute. I don't want it to be cooked too, I don't want it to cook well. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the onion. And I'm gonna put the green pepper, and I'm gonna cover it for 1 minute. And after 1 minute, I'm gonna show you guys how it look like. Guys, that's the way the eggs look like. I crack it, and I'm gonna put it onto the plate. You guys can see. And alright guys, I'm done cooking, and this is the way it look like, and that's the eggs. And I'm showing you guys. Alright guys, After I put the spaghetti on the plate, I put some strawberry, some green pepper, some onion. It's on you or you want it to look like. And or you want it to look like, and that's the way it look like. And we Haitian, when we eat spaghetti, we always put ketchup, and I have ketchup over there. And for you guys that's never tried it with ketchup, I advise you guys to try it with a little bit of ketchup. I think you guys gonna like it so much with the ketchup. And that's the way it look like. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you so much again. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the ketchup, and it's so hot. My God. Tastes so good. I know you guys gonna like it. If you guys follow the recipe, what I show you guys, you guys gonna like it so much. And thank you so much again. I can stop reading. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.
I'm trying